Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to teach you the 4 steps to solving an absolute value equation. So let me give you an absolute value equation. Let's do the absolute value of m minus 3 plus 2 equals 6. All right, step number 1, get the absolute value bars alone on one side of the equal sign. So right now I've got that plus 2 on the same side of it. I can't have that. So I've got to go ahead and do the inverse operation of plus 2, which is minus 2. But if I do it over here, I've got to do it on the other side of the equal sign. So now I have the absolute value of m minus 3 is equal to 4. That was step 1. Get the absolute value bars alone on one side of the equal sign. Step 2, once they are alone, I'm going to create 2 different equations, and I'm going to take off the absolute value bars. So this is going to become m minus 3 equals 4. That's my first equation. Or my second equation will be what is inside of the absolute value bars set equal to the negative of what's over here. All right, so it's equal to negative 4. So now I've got my 2 separate equations set up. That was step 2. Step 3 is to go ahead and use inverse operations to solve each of your 2 equations. So to get m alone over here, I've got to do plus 3 on both sides. And when I do that, I get m equals 7. That's one of my solutions. Or when I do plus 3 over here, I get m equals negative 1. And that is my other solution. So step 3 was go ahead and use inverse operations to solve each of your 2 equations. Step 4, as is the last step in every equation, is to check both of the solutions that you have. So to check, we always rewrite the original equation, and then we substitute our solution in for the variable. So instead of writing m now, I'm going to write 7. So I'm writing the absolute value of 7 minus 3 plus 2 equals 6, and that should work out. And we'll do the second check over here. The absolute value of negative 1 minus 3 plus 2 should also equal 6. All right? So on the left side, I always do absolute value first, just like parentheses. Inside the absolute value bars, I have 7 minus 3, which is 4. So I have the absolute value of 4 plus 2 is 6. The absolute value of 4 is just 4. Plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 indeed, and that checks off and I'm correct. On the other side, I have negative 1 minus 3. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. Plus 2 is 6. What's the absolute value of negative 4? It's positive 4. So now I have 4 plus 2 is 6. I'm going to combine like terms. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 is equal to 6. So my last step is to check both of my solutions and make sure that they both work. And those are the 4 steps to solving an absolute value equation.